Pregnancy complications include physical and mental conditions that affect the health of the pregnant woman, their baby, or both. It is important to get health care before, during, and after pregnancy to lower the risk of pregnancy complications. There are certain medical conditions that can complicate pregnancy. Let us discuss 5 major medical complications today. First, diabetes. Diabetes is a condition that affects how our body processes food into energy. The 3 main types of diabetes are type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Managing diabetes is important during pregnancy. If blood sugar levels are high during pregnancy, it can lead to serious health issues for both the mother and the baby, such as birth defects or preterm birth. Pregnant women with diabetes should regularly consult their doctors and follow a healthy diet and exercise plan. Second, heart conditions. Heart conditions affecting the heart and the blood vessels also pose risk during pregnancy. While many women with heart issues have normal pregnancies, they may face higher risk of complications. It's important for women with heart conditions to inform their doctors early in their pregnancy for proper monitoring. Third, high blood pressure. Hypertension, commonly known as high blood pressure. Hypertension is a common condition that may occur before pregnancy, while gestational hypertension develops after 20 weeks of pregnancy. Conditions like high blood pressure can lead to serious complications like preterm delivery or stroke. It is advised for women to manage their blood pressure through healthy lifestyle choices and regular checkup. Fourth, hyperemesis gravidarum. It is a serious form of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, much worse than regular morning sickness. It can lead to dehydration and weight loss, requiring medical treatment. Fifth, certain infections. There are certain kinds of infections like sexually transmitted diseases and urinary tract infections that can complicate pregnancy. Pregnant individuals should be screened for the infections that could harm their health or of their babies. They should be updated on vaccinations to prevent these infections. Common infection during pregnancy is a urinary tract infection which can be treated effectively with antibiotics if caught early. Therefore, managing diabetes, heart conditions, high blood pressure, nausea, and infections are vital for a healthy pregnancy. Regular checkups and consultations with doctors can help ensure both mother and baby remain healthy throughout pregnancy. We hope this video was helpful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.